All right, let's move on to speaking part two. Describe a bag you want to own. Over to you.
Uh, generally speaking, there is a lot of bags like handbags, school bags, shoulder bags, sports bag. But the one that I like the most is backpack, uh, because it contains too many features. Like there are a lot of pockets inside and outside of this bag, so we can easily carry our books, wallets, and bottles, etc. Uh, th- there is a mall that is 20 minutes away from my home, and there is the local or branded shops. So I want to purchase a branded backpack because of some reasons. Because it is made with good quality material, and it has also the reliability and reliability. It these backpacks cost around 3000 to 4000 pkr because of their uh, because of their
Okay, thank you. You spoke for 1 minute 20 seconds, which is fine, but just try to speak continuously without breaks, without pauses. And there were some grammatical mistakes in the beginning. You said lot of bag. So it should be there are many different kinds of bags, or there are different type of bags instead of saying lot of bag. Now, let's move on to speaking part three. Your ideas are good, but you need continuity and fluency,
okay, sir.
right? Why do you think women like to buy bags?
uh, Generally women uh, likes to buy bag because of their too much stuffs, like they carry makeups, kits, their personal things, and also many of the women's uh, buy bags because they want to match uh, their bags with their outfits, etc. So I think it's
All right,
a
information sorry, huh? He knows everything. Okay. All right. This is good. So just you need fluency and continuity.
okay, sir.
Otherwise, mashallah, information बहुत है आपको. अभी शादी नहीं हुई ना? Okay, good. Thank you.